Alright. SBR.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., severe thunderstorm from the Dover Speedway to near Sandtown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Smyrna, Milford, Seaford, Harrington, Camden, Bridgeville, Cheswell, Salinedale, Bowers, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Woodland Beach, Hadlettsville, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Sandtown, and Andrewsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex.